Hey there, how's everything going? Today, I want to talk about the lost generator, also called the Edison generator. It's a practical and budget-friendly way to produce your own energy at home. But before we dive into the details, there's something really important I need to mention. If you decide to get it, make sure you only buy from the official website. I've included the link below for your convenience. This helps you avoid scams or ending up with a faulty product. So for those who don't know, the lost generator is actually a digital guide based on the thermal energy principles of Thomas Edison. It walks you through step by step how to build your own power generator. The great thing is you don't need to be a tech expert to follow the instructions. It's made for anyone to understand. This system can be a lifesaver during emergencies like power outages caused by storms or other natural disasters, helping you keep essential devices running when you need them most. Plus, it's a fantastic way to cut down your electricity costs with a much smaller upfront investment compared to systems like solar panels. So, why should you try the lost generator? Emergency power supply provides a backup energy source during power outages or off-grid situations. Educational experience, learn how to generate electricity in a practical, hands-on way. It's affordable, lower upfront cost compared to solar panels or other power systems, and historical inspiration. Get inspired by the genius of Thomas Edison and his energy innovations. Now, to be clear, this isn't meant to fully replace your main power source, but as a backup solution, it's incredibly reliable and handy. The Lost Generator is a step-by-step guide that shows you how to build your own electricity generator using easily available parts. It's based on thermal energy principles that Thomas Edison utilized in his time, offering an affordable and efficient way to generate electricity at home. By following the plans, you can build your own Edison generator that uses thermal energy to produce electricity. The detailed instructions, parts list, and safety precautions make it accessible even for beginners. Whether you're interested in alternative energy solutions, learning something new, or simply saving money, the Edison generator is worth considering. Don't forget, the product is only available through the official website. So make sure to check the link in the description to avoid scams. And here's the kicker. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you're not happy with it, you can get a full refund, no hassle. The best part, once you purchase it, you'll get instant access to the guide as a download. That means you can start working on your generator right away without waiting. If this sounds like something you're interested in, check out the link in the description for all the details or to grab your copy. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Don't miss out on the special offers. Try the Lost Generator today, completely risk-free. If you still have some doubt, leave here below in the comments and I will answer as soon as possible. And if you already use the Lost Generator, leave here in the comments as your experience is going. This way, you will be able to help those who still have doubts about buying or not. That's it for today. See you later.